Hi and welcome to today's exercise session. I'm going to show you my favourite posture stretch that I do every day. So what I'm going to do is make this applicable to you to do at home so that you can start from a beginner's level, and then I'm going to progress it through to the advanced level that I do every day because I'm always slumped over a computer. So just to help me stand tall. So basically all you need is a towel, and you roll up your towel and about a hand circumference is the best thing to do. You'll need something like another towel. You can use a stretchy band, whatever you have handy to actually do this stretch. So we're going to be moving from a V stretch like this to a T stretch like this, but we're going to do that lying down with the towel roll under our back. So this is what we do. So first of all, coming into lying down, and you position the towel roll basically between your shoulder blades. So just rolling down. So you can see that I've got the towel roll just between my shoulder blades there. Ladies, if you wear a bra, so around your bra strap level, or men, if you, whatever you wear, have your legs bent, bring your arms up, keep your chin tucked, and you breathe in here and you breathe out. And as you breathe out, you take the towel right over and back and stretch back as far as you can, and that opens up your chest, plus also mobilizes through your back, through your spine. So it's releasing spinal pressure, tension as well, or tightness. Let's go again, breathing in and breathing out. So just be mindful of not taking the head right back. You can hyperextend your neck there and hurt it. So from that V stretch then, I can take it down to the T stretch that I showed you earlier, and then back to the V stretch. Now you might find it comfortable to use something underneath your head if you need to support your head and neck, but that's a really nice way of breathing in and breathing out and releasing that way. So you can do 10 reps of those if you like to. Now to progress that, which is what I really want to show you, so that's your beginner's level. To progress that, you could either use a D roll, so you can get these half rolls, they're called D rolls, and you can do the same thing with lying down. Again, you can imagine what I'll be doing through the V stretch and the T stretch in combination, and you can move that up and down so that it's actually mobilising different parts of your spine. Now, this is the part I really want to show you. This is where it gets exciting for me. This is a full roller, and I wanted to show you this with a full roller, and this is what I do. So I use a full roller under my back, and it actually took me a little while to work towards getting to this sort of intensity because it does give your back a big extension. And I actually do it with a stick. So this is just a broomstick from my cupboard downstairs. And basically what you do is, again, position the roller underneath your back, and again with your legs bent, breathing in and breathing out, and then you can actually extend your upper back right over and back, and you get a really great stretch through the back and through the chest. So I'll come back up again, breathing in and breathe out. So you can do as many of your V stretches as you like, and coming back up. And now from that position, just to stretch out your chest completely, taking it over and back, and then bring it right down, and there's my T stretch there. So that's really opening up through my chest and through the front of my shoulders, as well as mobilising my back. And you can roll in that position, up and down and back, and bringing it back. And on the visual that you can see above, you can see me doing this at the gym. And what I'm actually doing here is actually doing it on a gym bench. So I can actually get my arms right back over. So if you can do that on a gym bench, just be careful that you don't fall off, obviously. It's quite an advanced exercise. But you can see how much movement you can actually get through the shoulders there, really opening up the chest and the shoulders doing that exercise. So I normally start my exercise routine doing 5 to 10 reps of those, and I'll probably also then do another 10 reps during my exercise routine as well. So I really hope you like this little exercise, whether you're doing the beginners, progressing through to the advanced. As always, if this exercise helps you, please give it a like below, because then YouTube will recommend it to other viewers. Thanks so much for watching today. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.